I'm going to talk to you about pregnancy braces and girdles. I hate them.
Hi, I'm Brittany with Beautifully Connected. I'm a birth doula, massage therapist, and I practice herbals with the Wise Woman method. Welcome to my channel.
I feel like almost every midwife I know and a lot of doctors recommend that you use one of these pregnancy hip support belts during pregnancy. And I'm going to tell you right now, they are not the best support for you. So if you are a person who is able to use kinesiology tape, that would be the preferable method of support during pregnancy. Now, of course, exercise is a very good way to increase stability without any kind of outside supports. But I'm going to tell you right now, the braces are doing more damage than help for you during pregnancy. So think about it this way. If you were to walk and then sprain your ankle, the best thing to do is to keep moving it. So that traditional rest, ice, compression, elevation, that's good when you have the initial swelling. But after that, when you get into healing that broken ankle or twisted ankle, you're going to want to move it. If you don't move your ankle, it's going to get stiff and those muscles are going to atrophy. So atrophied muscles lead to more pain and dysfunction. This works exactly the same way during pregnancy. So if you are pregnant and you're wearing this really tight hip thing that's like squishing you, it's going to atrophy your muscles. It goes right around all of your glute muscles, so they're all going to kind of be squished in there and they're pinned to your body. So when you go around your daily day and you move and you're walking and sitting and standing, your muscles are not moving and functioning at full capacity. They are pinned in place. They are braced. So again, more preferable way to fix yourself or give yourself extra support would be kinesiology tape. So kinesiology tape is inherently different from braces because what the kinesiology tape is going to do is come in there, give you some support, give you some decompression, give you some stability without pinning your muscles down. Kinesiology tape actually helps you function better and more optimally. It trains your body to be able to activate correctly while providing support. Some massage therapists, chiropractors, and some physical therapists will be able to tape you during pregnancy. It's not too difficult to tape yourself, but it would be probably a little bit more easy if you had somebody watch a video and then tape you. And then you can find a video linked at the bottom of this video in the description.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Also, if you have any questions about holistic health, be sure to put those in the comments for me.